Hi, I'm Gavin Wentz, the CEO and President of QUX, and today I'm going to show you how to use your QUX Keyboard Remote. When you get your keyboard remote, there's a couple of other items that come with it. There's a USB dongle, which you stick into the side of your QUX box, and then there's also the charger cord, which you can also stick inside the QUX box. So let me go ahead and undo this really quick. And then just take it, plug it in here, and then you just take it and plug it in like that. And that's how you charge your QUX keyboard. Now what's really cool about this is that it has an on and off switch right here. So when you turn it on, it lights up. You turn it off, the lights turn out. And what's nice about the on-off switch is it allows you to save power on your keyboard so you're not having to recharge it as often. Plus, you don't have to replace the batteries in this. So first of all, I want you to notice that on one side you have a keyboard, and on the other side you have a touchpad. So real quick, I want to just show the basic features of the keyboard side itself. You'll see here's an FN button. And what this does is this gives you access to all the keys that have a yellow icon on them. For instance, let's say we want to make it brighter. Hold down FN and then push this button, and we can make it brighter or dimmer. Or if you want to turn up the volume, you can come over here and turn the volume up. Or some of the icons like question mark. If you want to add a question mark in your comment, you would hold the FN button and then hit the R. Also, the settings button is right here on the X. Looks like a menu, and if I hit FN and X together, that takes me to the settings. Or the Z, it looks like the house. If I push FN and Z, that takes me back to the home. Now what's really cool about this touchpad is if you put 4 fingers on it, you can actually change the color to match your liking. I tend to like to have it this color because it matches the rest of QUX. Anyway, so here's basically how you use it. So you have arrow keys over here, and you can use the arrow keys to navigate around inside. But one thing I like to do is you just flip over the remote like this, and you just use the touchpad like a mouse, and this works fantastic. Let's go ahead and click on Portal. So you do one tap to click onto the portal, and then if you want to watch some content, just a single tap. Come over here inside the highlighted area, tap again, and voila, the video starts playing. Now, there are some very unique things you can do with this remote that make it highly advantageous as far as a better remote. Now notice you can come down here and you can pause the video. Sometimes when the videos are buffering, you can actually just come down here and just skip ahead a little bit and hit play. And it makes the buffering go away. Just a little tip. Now, if you want to back out of some content, you take your 2 fingers and you just tap once. You want to back out again, take your 2 fingers and tap once. I'll tap again, and I'm basically back here. So now, let's go to one of the live streams. Again, just one tap on the touchpad. And I can come down over here to the live chat. Now, if you want to activate the live chat, push the down. Here, let me turn the volume down real quick.
It's weird.
So if you want to do the volume, it's FM and these keys that have the orange highlights on them. So I'll go ahead and turn the volume down. And now flip it over, and I'm going to come down here and hit the live chat. And it's as easy as just come up in here, tap the touch screen, flip it over, and type a message. Hello. Flip it back over, come down here, hit done. And let's just add an emoji just for fun. A nice happy face. We'll go ahead and send it. And there you go. And you can see my message right here. And one of the neat things about the keyboards is we'd like to start having some keyboard parties inside these live chats where everybody can basically start to socialize. So if you want to make the chat go away, again, just tap with 2 fingers once. And the live chat's gone. And then the screen will go back to being normal color. And then after about 10 seconds, the mouse cursor disappears. Well, let's go ahead and back out. And I'll show you another cool feature is if we come up over here to the search, tap on that, come up here. Let's go ahead and do a little example. If we type in Lego, flip it back over, come over here, hit search, boom. And there's one of the Lego videos that comes up. And then you can click on the content and play it. And that's basically it for the remote. So I'll go ahead and back out once, back out again, back out again. And I'm going to go over to the portals. Again, this takes a moment to load, but while it loads, I just want to remind you that if you don't have one of these QUX keyboards, you can go to QUX.tv and get one. They're only $25 and they definitely enhance the QUX experience. So now I'm going to come over here to see all. Click on here. We'll wait for the portals to load and I'm going to show you a couple more things. So as the content starts to come in, if you push up with 2 fingers, you can scroll or you scroll down, either way. And then you can just slide over to some content, select it, and there you have it. And as you can see, we have a nice playlist from YouTube. And you can scroll through the YouTube playlist and just click on one of the videos, and voila. So this is the QUX Keyboard Wireless Remote, and I hope this tutorial helps you out. And if you need any help, just go ahead and give me a call at 330-557-2230. Thank you.
Our device is something that you can plug into your television, and now you can use your television as a social television type experience. So in the Portal universe, you can watch your favorite content creators' videos, live streams, music. We also have TV subscriptions as well.
TV subscriptions.
You can also
regular channels, all the sports.
Right, you can actually cut your cable from your cable subscription and get QUX TV on our QX TV boxes, and you can pay half the price that you're currently paying for your cable television subscription, and you can get all the best premium TV channels and more. I mean, it's really, there's so much on there, Rudy. I mean, you've seen it.
No, I've seen it and I use it, and it's good. I mean, it's great. It's just exactly the same except for half the price. Plus, nobody is finding out what I'm watching, and that's not being reported to anybody.
Right, so you have absolute privacy using this device, which you don't have on other devices out there currently on the market.
This is absolutely great. QUX.tv is how you can find out about it. QUX.tv.
Use promo code RUDY to receive $30 off.